Okay, so now we've done the shadow and highlights, the noise reduction. I now wanted to go in and get rid of these hot spots in the sky, these two here, and their corresponding reflections in the river. So to do that, I'm going to create a new layer above the noise layer by holding down my Option key, moving down to Merge Visible, and I've created what is called a composite layer or a stamp layer. And I'm going to give that a name of Content Aware because that's what I'm going to use it for. And I'm going to grab my lasso tool. Let's see, we got it. Okay. And I'm going to move up here to this area and I'm going to kind of create a kind of a scalloped selection. If you scallop your selections, they tend to blend in a little bit better. So I always try and give it kind of an uneven edge. All right, so now I'm going to go to Shift F5, which is the shortcut for Content Aware. And I'm going to say OK. And there we go. And now I'm going to move down here and take care of this one. Same way, just create kind of a scalloped edge. And on down here. And around this here. And I go back to Shift F5, Content Aware. And now we move down to the reflection in the water here. And Shift F5, Content Aware. All right, now on this last one down here, I'm going to show you in the menu where, the main menu, where the Content Aware fill exists, so in case you forget your shortcut, you'll know where to find it. So we're up here under Edit, down to Fill, and brings up Content Aware. Now the Fill dialog has a lot of different options, so just make sure that you select Content Aware and hit OK.